Hi, welcome back to the Light Lab. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this really cool GT-Lit LED cob bulb. Now this one is really unique. It's a really cool bulb. It's 2,500 lumens. It's 25 watts, but I'm not sure if it's equivalent or if that's the actual wattage. We'll find out here in a bit. And it says it's compared to 150 watts. So actually that is the equivalent of a 150 watt incandescent bulb. So it only uses 25 watts. So that's pretty cool. And its color temperature is 5,000 Kelvin, which is a daylight bulb. This would be used for like a utility room. You could put it in like a fixture. Now this is non-dimmable and it's also rated for damp areas. So you could put this in damp areas. So I'm going to turn this on and have you guys look at it. And you can see it's also got light emitting diodes down here too. So it lights up down below and all around too. So here's how I'm going to put it in. So we'll just screw this in just like that in my little light fixture thing here. And then we'll just turn it right on. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all those diodes in there, those LED light emitting diodes. And it gives off quite a bit of light. You can see how it really lights up the area quite nicely. I really like this bulb. And this is plastic, by the way, but these are cool to the touch. Now it does get a little warm up here, so you don't want to put these in enclosed fixtures. These are usually rated for being out in the open, so there's ventilation. You can see it really lights up the area quite well. I really like it.
Lights up your face pretty good.
Yeah, it really does. Look at that. That is so cool. So really nice, and you can see the cool down when I turn it off here. You can see it cool down a little bit. So it's a really neat bulb. I like it a lot, and you can see how it's got the little integrated circuit in there. It's got the two little soldered wires coming out to connect these little diodes in there. And then the little integrated circuit. And there's probably a whole bunch of little resistors and those things that are in there too, because in order for LEDs to run properly, you need to have a resistor in series, because if you don't, the LED will blow out or just burn out if you don't have the right resistor, or if you have a too high of a resistor, the LED will be real dim. But if you have a real too low of a resistor or no resistor, it'll just go or just go out and not work. So that's why you want to have the right resistor, and probably the resistors are in here. But there are, I think, like little cooling fins here too. So you can see there's like little metal cooling fins and that in there as well. So it's a really neat little bulb. I like it a lot. And you can see there's all the little information right there on the side. You can see all the information and all that cool things. So yeah, really neat little bulb. I usually just like to collect light bulbs. I just collect them and put them in boxes and then just put them in this little light fixture and just kind of turn them on and just kind of look at them. But you have to be careful not to stare at them because you'll probably eventually go blind. I just like, lights just to look at them and just enjoy the cool brightness they give off and the colors and things. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and then in the next video I'll explain some more light bulbs. Have a good day.